What if I told you this was AI? Not me, I'm very much a real person, but the background was created by a computer. Here's why that's such an exciting development for corporate video production. One of the hardest parts of our green screen videos is finding the perfect background. It's part science and part art. The background needs to blend with the talent, matching the lighting and position of the camera. Minor details can give away it's not real, making the green screen more obvious. The background also needs to be visually appealing to the audience and match the script. I also add bonus points for matching brand colors, things like that. That usually means hours combing through image and video libraries looking for that perfect shot. Enter ChatGPT and DALL-E. Now, all I have to do is upload my image along with some instructions, and it spits out a background. What to include in the prompt. Description of the background you're looking for. Be as detailed as possible. And don't forget to include image size, such as 16:9. It helps to remind DALL-E to make sure there are no people in the background. That also gives away that it's not a real background. The image you want to match, for us, that's the talent. Details about the image such as lighting, color temperature, camera, etc. Now, you may need to revise your image. It's not a mind reader just yet. I like to add a slight blur in post-production to give it a natural depth of field look, and voila. Now, it's far from perfect. DALL-E still has a lot to learn. Words still give it trouble. I couldn't get it to spell Dashti media like the Hollywood sign, but it's a new tool to help you create videos faster and better.